Hello! Alright, today we're gonna take a look at this Toro Powerlight 98cc engine. It's a little snowblower. Somebody put it on Facebook Marketplace for 20 bucks. They said they couldn't get it running right, so but I know Toro snowblowers have a pretty good reputation, so we're gonna try to see what's going on with this thing. Looks like there's a primer bulb that would need to be replaced, but we can probably get it going without that. So there's no I don't know which, there's no markings on this, so I don't know. I'm assuming that was off, that vertical key position. Let's turn it there. Okay, so on these guys, it looks like this is probably our choke here. Here's our exhaust over here. It's open. See what's going on. Oh wow, that's almost broken. Yikes. So we don't have to go replace anything. This is a really nice string they put on here. Cable. Yeah, I really like that one. It's really heavy duty. Like it's like the best I've seen in a while. Simple enough. We'll go get a new primer here. Let's take this spark plug out. Got a couple new parts here. Got a new primer bulb. Just take this one out. Pop this guy in, if it'll fit. All right, got that on there. Shit on. That's all there is to it. Boom. Okay, I went ahead and got a new. God, it's windy. A new spark plug. Alright, got the spark plug on. Back in. Fuel line. Plug that one into the bulb we just put in. Alright, so yesterday I went out and got a new primer bulb right there. And I also got a new spark plug, just in case, might as well. And fixed this pull start that was about to break, and I filled her up with gasoline. But I did notice that it was leaking down here in the back end of the carburetor. Or somewhere, something was leaking down there. So I'm gonna take, I think I didn't get it starting after I replaced those things at all. It wasn't even trying. So I think I need to take this carb off and make sure. I think the person that had this before me replaced it. They might not have done it right. So that's what I'm gonna do today, right now. All right, let's try to take this guy off. Ooh, that wasn't even tight. Interesting. That is interesting. So, all right, so we got the carburetor here. Okay, take this cover off here. Okay, It's moving free. Like, yeah. I mean, everything looks super clean and whatnot. I realize, you know, it doesn't take much to get these things dirty. Just get some bad fuel in there, start her up, try to. But I think it's fine, honestly. I'm kind of hoping right now that if I just put this back in, everything looks decent on this. He said it was new and it looks new. This screw here wasn't even tight. Like, that's definitely going to cause some issues and definitely going to be responsible for it leaking, which is what I saw. So, and you know, you can get, I can see down in here, the cylinders are moving, everything. It's not like locked up or anything. So, I need to hook this back in. This is basically the throttle and linkage or whatever. So I need to get that kind of reinstalled back on here. It'd be nice to have some pliers. Okay, I got it in place. If she doesn't pop out on us. And yeah, I think every time I use one of these clamps, I try to do it with my hands. I even rock climb. I got pretty strong fingers, but man, these things hurt. Okay, that should all be good. So that's should all be good. Let's just try this like as is. Okay. All right. So we want to prime this. So key needs to be on. So that's prime. That's unchoke. You can see everything. So we're priming it. I don't know how many times I need to press that thing. There we go. Interesting. All right, well, we got it going. Let's. I'm gonna open this garage door. Looking forward to that. I'm glad that thing runs. All right. And we'll. All right. Give her another start. Mother. All right, let's take this old rope out. All right, got this coil fixed. Just need to trim that off. But okay, I got it all hooked back together, reassembled. Let's go test it out. We'll choke it. Put on choke. Make sure it's on. Prime it. It says let it rest a couple seconds. That's probably fine. All right. Well, really poor job on this kind of semi-rough terrain. So I thought it seemed underpowered almost. It's a little weak for this thick stuff here. Okay, so quick thoughts. Memory card's dying. 20 seconds. Recap. I don't know if it's running at full power, but it runs well. It's a little hard to start sometimes. Once it's warm, it starts fine. Okay, here in my little tiny garage this morning. Walked outside, and the truck was right there, and we got a snowstorm. So, all right. Well, I got couple parts for my snowblower here, the little Toro power light, and we're gonna be installing. We got new blades, we got a new scraper, and we got a new belt. So this was about 55 bucks on Amazon. So